going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited that you're tuning in today because I have a very special video planned for you guys. I'm teaming up with a company called FabFitFun. I'm sure some of you guys have heard of it before. Maybe you've seen it on Facebook or something like that. But FabFitFun is actually a subscription box that you get each season. So there's a spring, summer, winter, and fall box. Now you'll get the box and you'll open it and you're gonna be like mind blown because it's chock full of amazing goodies to pamper yourself with. I'm talking like fitness things. There's makeup, candles, lotion, jewelry, a purse. Like amazing products that you can try, and you get it 4 times a year, like I said. So it's just a really fun way to kind of treat yourself, pamper yourself. Maybe you want to get it for somebody as a gift. I think that's such a great idea. If you're like me, I have people in my family who I'm like, I have no idea what to buy this person for Christmas or birthdays. It's like they're so hard to shop for. This is a great idea for people like that because you don't have to think about it. It's relatively inexpensive. The whole value of the box is over like $350. What? Which is insane because you're getting it for 50 bucks, you know? So it's just a fun way to try new products. A lot of these products I would have never found had I not had this box. By the way, they just launched their spring box, which is what I am so excited to show you today. So I'm gonna go through the box, go through each product, give you my honest review on them. I've been using them for about a week now since I got the box. Before I dive into that, I do wanna mention they did give me a discount code for you guys to use for $10 off your first box. It's KC. You can apply that when you sign up with FabFitFun. And without further ado, I'm gonna open the box and you guys are gonna be like, oh my God, it's so awesome. Okay, are you ready? I'm ready. This is basically what it looks like when you get it in the mail. I like displayed all the products. Look at that, isn't that fun, you guys? So I'm just gonna go through each product and describe them. Also, what's cool about this box, especially the spring box, is all the products in this box are made by companies owned by females, which I think is amazing. You guys know how I'm like all about female empowerment. So really happy to support companies like this, and I'm really excited to show you the products. So let's dive in. We'll do this one first. This is a massage roller. So it's got like these spinning rolling balls and little spikes on them. So basically like you would, oh my God, you could roll it on your quad or any muscle. This would feel amazing on your back, like on either side of your spine. And you just roll it out. Oh, it feels good. I mean, it's like a very easy way to roll out your muscle tissue, even on your shin. Wow, yeah, it feels awesome. And squishy handles, cute fun color for spring. So that's the massage roller. The next product we have is this, and it's the cutest little sleeping eye mask. Oh, it's so cute. What's cool about it is that it has things inside here. Oops. It has things inside here that are like squishy, like gel, and it's got a leather front and a soft back. But the inside is made specifically to depuff your eyes while you sleep. It's a cooling, it has a cooling effect. It'll depuff your eyes. It'll help you look more rested in the morning when you wear this at nighttime. So that is that. Very cute. Love it. Definitely gonna be taking this on my trip with me when I go to South Africa. I'm going to South Africa in 2 weeks exactly, actually. I'm so excited. This will definitely come in handy, especially on the plane. You know I don't want to land in South Africa with freaking bags and stuff on my face. So this will be nice to bring with me, actually. I'm excited. Next product we have is body butter. Now this body butter smells amazing. It's like guava. It smells like Thailand. Like, oh, it's so nice, and it goes on really silky, smooth, super moisturizing. I've been using it all week and my skin feels really nice. It's literally like silk when you put it on. And this, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. So this is that product. By the way, all the products will be listed in the description box below the video. You guys could read up on the products, or maybe if you want to go find these products or buy a FabFitFun box for somebody. Oh man, I just want to put it all over. All right, next product is also a lotion. This is for your face. It's a skin perfecting lotion by Murad. This brand, actually, I used it in high school. I had very oily, acne-prone skin in high school, and the Murad acne line was the only line that worked on my skin. So I totally trust this brand, and I was excited to see it in the box because I know it's a good, high-quality brand, and this is actually skin perfecting lotion. So it's for your face, and it just helps you reduce blemishes like any uneven red spots, anything like that. It makes your skin more even and bright. So that's this. And what I also like about this, the FabFitFun, is they don't just give you like travel size samples of each product. It's like full size products. It's amazing because you can actually try different products. Like, it's just like, the quality is so cool. Next we have a lipstick palette. It's kind of dirty because I've been using it all week. This is Ish. Let me show you the inside. Bam! Isn't that amazing? I love this red color. I'm gonna use it. This is like a fire hydrant red, and I also love these nudes up here. Isn't that nice, you guys? Like, wouldn't this be fun to get in the mail? There's a bunch of cool, fun, pampering things. This is actually super cool. This is a reversible clutch. Here's one side. It's white leather. And then inside is this, and then zip it on the top. So you can like fold it the other way and have it be a floral. Like that. Or this white. Floral. What? Reversible. So it's a really cool little idea. In the inside you have a nice big pocket, like a little separator in the middle. So it's a really cool idea, just easy to switch it up. It's like very springy, you know? Next product is a bracelet, and this is by Brenner. It says love. It's a cute little gold dainty bracelet. I love little gold dainty jewelry, so I have this one on my neck right now. When I saw this, I was like, oh, this is so me. It's so me because it's so simple and clean and pretty, and just little dainty little bracelet. I love it. I love it. Ha! See? See what I did there? Next we have Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This you use in the shower. It's kind of like a body scrub, but it's moisturizing. So I'm excited to try this. I have not tried it yet, but it looks really nice. It's supposed to make your skin like very soft and clean and get all the dead skin cells off while moisturizing it. I've heard like when you use this that you get out of the shower and you feel like you have lotion on already. Like your skin feels super moisturized. So that's that. Next thing is I'm really excited to use this. I don't know if you guys remember when I like broke my nail off, my entire nail came off because I was wearing fake nails and I have a big klutz and it came off. Anyway, this is actually like an at-home manicurist like conditioning treatment for your nails. And so you put this on your nails and it's supposed to condition and treat your nails. It's supposed to help, like if you have those ridges on your nails, it'll make them stronger and more even. It's kind of like conditioner for your nails. Helps your cuticles and everything be really healthy. Treat your nails if they look unhealthy or uneven. So this is the brand. Concealing Ridge Filler, yeah. It has keratin peptide. Helps strengthen weak nails and make them more resistant to damage. So also if you use this underneath your nail polish is supposed to stay on longer too. Next, this is probably my favorite item in the whole box. It's a candle. And it looks like this, so cute, like a little copper. But it smells, it's very clean and fresh smelling for spring. It smells like linen or like really fresh, clean laundry, like your house was just cleaned and you just did laundry and it's like clean and fresh smelling, which is my favorite type of scent. Especially for like perfumes and candles, like clean and fresh is like the best smell to me. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, oh my gosh, see? It smells like fresh linen. That's the smell on the bottom, see? Ha, I told you. Oh, I love it. The brand is Lilley. so excited when I open this candle. Okay, now this, you guys, this is actually really cool. I didn't even know that it existed. So this is a coupon for $50 off of a company called HelloFresh. Now basically what HelloFresh is you go online and you pick out different meals that you'd like to make, and then they ship you all of the ingredients that you need and the recipe with simple, easy instructions. And so all you have to do is put it together. So here's like the picture on the back, like a bunch of groceries. So basically you'll get a bag or a box like this full of the ingredients that you chose from your meal online, and you just follow the instructions, follow the recipe, put all the ingredients together. Everything's separated into really easy like little packages, so it's like, okay, take this one, put it in here. It's like very clear. What a fun way to not only try new recipes, but also to improve your cooking skills, learn how to cook new things that you wouldn't be able to cook before, and have it be easy and simple. You don't have to go buy a bunch of ingredients. Like, I know with me, like if I try a new recipe, it's always like, I don't know, because I don't want to spend money on ingredients that I don't know if I'm gonna cook it right, or like, what if I buy the wrong thing, everything like that. This is just a really fun way to try new recipes with minimal effort. Like, what else are you gonna need? Like, they literally deliver you the ingredients and the recipe. All you have to do is cook it. Like, how much more lazy can you get? It would be a really fun way to have like a fun evening with someone, like your boyfriend, your husband, your friends, your mom, something like that. Like, for you guys to pick out a fun meal and then cook it together, like that just seems like such a fun time that you would have, like a fun night, fun evening with somebody. It's such a great idea, especially for people who don't know how to cook, who want to learn how to cook but can't afford like a cooking lesson or something like that. Like, you will learn so much from this, and I cannot wait to try it. Like, I'm gonna invite my friends over. We're gonna have so much fun doing this. So, really excited about this, actually. That is gonna wrap up the box for the spring box. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you loved the box. I was absolutely blown away by how many things were in here and the quality of the products. I'm super excited to try everything in the box. Most of these items I probably would have never bought for myself, so that's what's so much fun about this kind of thing, is like, you get to experience new things, you get pampered with a box 4 times a year, you get to try amazing products. Smell amazing candles. So anyway, you guys, I'm really excited to bring this video to you, really excited to offer you that discount with my code KC. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering me with this. I was honored and excited to share this with my followers, because I think you guys are gonna just love it, and what a fun, great idea. So at that, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, all the stuff all the information is below in the description box. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment and I will be sure to reply to your comment. And that's it, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to see more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.